How POS Launcher users can use SnapMenu VoiceAI to take phone orders using their existing POS Launcher menu. In this demo, we'll walk through how a restaurant connects POS Launcher with SnapMenuAI, syncs its menu, configures VoiceAI, takes a real customer phone order, processes payment, and automatically sends the order into POS Launcher for fulfillment. Customers simply call your restaurant's dedicated VoiceAI number and place orders naturally, just like speaking with a member of your staff. VoiceAI understands customer requests, answers menu questions, guides customers through available options, captures modifiers and add-ons, confirms the order, processes payments, and automatically creates the order inside POS Launcher. Before setting up your restaurant and syncing your menu with SnapMenuAI, we recommend signing in to your POS Launcher dashboard and reviewing your menu configuration. Navigate to your catalog section and verify that all menu categories, menu items, modifier groups, modifiers, pricing, and item availability are up to date. Once you've confirmed your menu is up to date, you're ready to connect POS Launcher and sync your restaurant menu with SnapMenuAI. Let's get started. Now, go to the VoiceAI dashboard. To begin, sign in using your business email address. After accepting the terms and conditions, a verification code is sent to your email. Enter the verification code to activate your account and continue the setup process. Next, search for your restaurant. SnapMenuAI automatically retrieves available business information associated with your restaurant. Review the details and confirm the correct restaurant location. Once the restaurant is selected, SnapMenuAI begins collecting a few details to complete the setup process. First, choose the type of restaurant you are running. Next, choose the cuisine you serve. Then, enter your contact information so the account can be associated with the correct restaurant operator. After that, select the point-of-sale system currently being used by your restaurant. You will see a list of supported POS providers available for integration. For this walkthrough, select POS Launcher. By selecting POS Launcher, SnapMenuAI knows which POS system to connect with for menu management, order processing, and payment workflows. Once POS Launcher is selected, continue to the next step to connect your POS Launcher account. Enter your POS Launcher merchant ID. Click Connect POS Launcher Account. SnapMenuAI securely connects with POS Launcher and begins syncing your restaurant menu. During the sync, menu categories, items, prices, modifiers, and add-ons are automatically imported into SnapMenuAI. Once the sync is complete, VoiceAI has access to the latest version of your menu. At the same time, SnapMenuAI automatically assigns a dedicated VoiceAI phone number to your restaurant. Now, let's review the synced menu. You can browse menu categories, menu items, pricing, and item details imported directly from POS Launcher. VoiceAI uses this information during customer conversations to answer menu questions and build accurate orders. You can also review modifier groups and customization options. This includes toppings, sauces, sizes, add-ons, and other menu variations available to customers. Because these settings are synced directly from POS Launcher, VoiceAI always works with your most up-to-date menu configuration. Now, let's configure how VoiceAI interacts with customers. Navigate to the Voice section. Under Customer Messaging, you can customize the AI agent's opening and closing messages. You can create unique greetings for new customers and returning customers. You can also personalize responses using dynamic placeholders such as restaurant name, agent name, customer number, and preparation duration. This allows VoiceAI to create a more personalized customer experience while maintaining consistency across every call. Next, switch to the Configuration tab. Start by assigning a name to your AI agent. This is the name customers will hear during every conversation. Next, choose a voice model. You can preview different voice options and select the one that best matches your restaurant's brand personality. Then, select the languages VoiceAI should support when interacting with customers. VoiceAI can support multiple languages, allowing restaurants to serve a wider customer base. Under Call Handling and Flow, configure the preparation duration. This allows VoiceAI to automatically communicate estimated pickup times after an order is placed. If needed, you can also enable call transfer. When enabled, Voice AI can transfer calls directly to restaurant staff whenever human assistance is required. Under Order Handling Rules, configure how Voice AI manages incoming orders. Enable delivery orders if your restaurant accepts delivery requests. You can also enable delivery transfer to route delivery-related calls to your team when needed. For restaurants that receive orders outside regular business hours, off-hours orders can be enabled, so Voice AI can continue taking orders even when staff members are unavailable. In the Payments and Confirmations section, enable payment links. This allows Voice AI to automatically send secure payment links after an order is confirmed. You can also enable SMS confirmations so customers receive order updates and confirmations directly on their mobile devices. Once all settings have been configured, click Save Changes. Your Voice AI agent is now fully configured and ready to start taking customer orders. Now let's see Voice AI in action.
Hello, and thank you for choosing Primavera Cafe. This is Alex, your dining concierge. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Sadir.
Nice to meet you. Sit here. Is this for pickup or delivery?
This is for pickup.
Got it, pickup. What can I get started for you today?
I was looking at your menu and I saw you guys have half and half pizzas. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Sure thing. Our half and half pizzas let you split a pie into two different specialty styles, like half buffalo and half margarita, on either a 16-inch or Sicilian crust. Want to build one today?
Yeah. Can I get a 16-inch, please?
Perfect. A 16-inch half and half. What would you like for the first half?
What options do you guys have for the first half?
For the first half of a 16-inch, you can pick from these options: special, buffalo, veggie, margarita, meat lover, white, vodka sauce, Hawaiian, grandma, old-fashioned, or chicken bacon ranch. Which one sounds good for the first half?
Can I get Hawaiian for the first half, please?
Got it. Hawaiian for the first half. And what would you like on the second half?
Are the second half the same options?
Yep, the second half has the same exact options. What would you like on that side?
Can I get margarita then?
Perfect. So the second half will be margarita. Want to add anything else today?
Yeah. Could you tell me a little bit more about your specialty pastas?
Sure thing. Our specialty pastas are hearty dishes like cavatelli with broccoli, rigatoni with broccoli rabe and sausage, fettuccine primavera, rigatoni veneziana, and capellini alla sposa. Want details on any one of those?
Yeah. Can you tell me what capellini alla sposa is?
Capellini alla sposa is grilled shrimp, tossed with fresh tomatoes, garlic, and olive oil, served over angel hair pasta. Want to add one to your order?
Yeah. I'll take a capellini alla sposa. And then, can you also tell me what desserts you guys have?
Got your capellini alla sposa. And just a heads up, we actually don't have any desserts on the menu. For the pasta, what kind of pasta would you like it served with? You can pick spaghetti, penne, linguine, capellini, rigatoni, or fettuccine.
Can I get penne?
Got it, penny for the pasta. And for the protein add-on, would you like chicken, shrimp, or salmon?
Can I get shrimp?
Perfect. Capellini alla sposa over penny with shrimp. Anything else today?
That's it. Thank you.
Great, let me confirm your order. You've got a 16-inch half and half pizza, Hawaiian on one side and margarita on the other, and a capellini alla sposa served over penne with shrimp. Do you have any special requests?
No, that's all.
Perfect. Let me process your order. It should be ready in about 30 minutes. Thank you for choosing Primavera Cafe. Have a great day.
Once the customer confirms the order, Voice AI sends a secure payment link to their phone by SMS. The customer opens the link, reviews the order, enters payment details, and completes the payment securely within seconds. After payment is approved, the order is automatically confirmed and pushed into POS Launcher. Once payment is completed, the order is automatically pushed into the POS Launcher POS system. Inside POS Launcher, restaurant staff can view the order details and payment details in one place. Everything captured by Voice AI is synced automatically with no manual entry required. And inside SnapMenuAI, restaurant teams can easily review order history, call logs, customer details, payment updates, call recordings, and analytics from a single dashboard. This gives owners and managers complete visibility into every voice AI interaction, every order, and overall restaurant performance. SnapMenuAI, Voice AI, and POS Launcher help restaurants automate phone orders, process payments, and manage every order seamlessly in one connected workflow.